Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Learn English with Shelly Viva. Today we will learn how to fill out the personal information section of a form. So let's get started. As you notice, there's lots of personal information needed to be given in a form. But do not worry, I will explain each of these very clearly using pictures and short video clips too. When introducing yourself, you say your name. However, in a form, you need to write your full name. For example, this young woman's first name is Samantha. She does not have a middle name, so we write N/A. And her last name is Jonas. Let's see another example. This man's first name is Ryan. His middle name is Howard. And his last name is Jim. When they ask you about gender, all they want to know is, do you identify yourself as a male, transgender, or female? For example, notice in this picture you will see a male. He is a male. Therefore, gender is male. This is a transgender. Therefore, gender is transgender. This is a female. Therefore, gender is female. Marital status is a person's state of being single, married, separated, divorced, or widowed. For example, this couple is married, therefore the marital status is married. This man is single, therefore the marital status is single. Marital status, widowed, is when a person is single due to spouse's death. And then you have a widow, which is a woman whose spouse has died. And then widower is a man whose spouse has died. Now let's see what the marital status separated or divorced means. Separated means you are married still, but live apart from your spouse. Whereas divorced means you have legally ended your marriage and no longer with your spouse. A birth date is the date that a person was born. For example, this woman's birth date is on June 6, 1961, which is written as the day/month/year. 18th is the day, 06 is the month, and the year is 1961. Look at this globe and it brings us to our next question. What is place of birth? For example, This man was born in London, England. London is the city and England is the country. So his place of birth is London, comma, England. That's how we write it in the form. This young woman was born in Shanghai, China. Shanghai is the city and China is the country. So her place of birth is in Shanghai, comma, China. And that's how we write it in a form. Look at this quick video. As you can see, there are many houses within this city. And that's what we're going to exactly look at right now, is the address, which is where a person lives. When you buy or rent your house, your apartment, your condo, you will receive a form that has your full address on there. The one that you will be buying or renting will be indicated on there. For example, as you notice here, I've given an example. Addresses can vary. It depends on the street number, the name, if you're living in a town, province, city, country, it all varies. For example, take a look at this particular example. 1156 Noel Boulevard. 1156 Noel Boulevard is the street number and name. Okay? And then I've indicated here Montreal, which is the city, and it's in the province, Quebec, and the country, which is Canada. And the postal code is H2B1J1. As you know, everyone's phone number varies. In a form, you might be asked for primary phone number or main phone number. For example, 415-670-8889. 415 is the area code, 670 is the telephone prefix, and 8889 is the line number. Let's see some more phone number examples starting from the top to the bottom. The first one is 1-800-466-7788. The one below that is 647-700-5690. And the last one, 804-565-9988. Email is a way of communicating between people by sending each other messages through Hotmail, Yahoo, Gmail, etc. Let's take a look at some email examples, starting from the left column and then moving to the right column. rogerssmith@hotmail.com, pizzapalace@yahoo.com, peterpan@gmail.com, Now the right column, Floors One Company at live.ca, jolly.jollyus at hotmail.ca, paris-school at yahoo.com. I want to thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope this video was really helpful. And for more videos like this, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much.